Welcome, friends. We all know we hate to see money being flushed down the toilet. Well, this one is for real. If you notice your toilet is not completely shutting off anymore after the flush is finished, it very well could be your flapper. Let's look at the condition of the original flapper in the tank. And this one looks pretty beat up. You can measure the size of the flapper before you decide to purchase, but this one is a pretty standard size. I purchased this well-known made in the USA product at a local big box store. Let's turn the water supply off. Let's give it a flush. There's two tabs on the side of the drain tube. And let's remove our chain. As you can see, this one is very well worn and definitely trash. Let's install the new one by sliding the tabs through the holes. And attaching the chain to the handle arm, leaving a little slack. Turn the water supply back on. And give it a flush.